How do you plot negative coordinates for GED linear functions? Imagine you're trying to draw a straight line on a graph, but some of the points you need to plot are in the left or bottom parts of the graph. That's where negative coordinates come into play. When working with linear functions on a coordinate plane, you might encounter points with negative x values or negative y values. Knowing how to plot these points correctly helps you understand how the line behaves across all four sections of the graph. First, you need to understand the coordinate plane. It has an x-axis that runs left to right and a y-axis that runs up and down. The point where they cross is called the origin, labeled as 0. When you see a negative x-coordinate, it means the point is to the left of the origin. If the x value is positive, it's to the right. Similarly, a negative y-coordinate means the point is below the origin, while a positive y value is above. To plot a point with a negative x-coordinate, start at the origin. Move left along the x-axis the number of units indicated by the x value. For example, if the point is -4, 3, you move 4 units left from the origin. Next, look at the y-coordinate. Since it is +3, move up 3 units from that position. Mark the point where you end up. If the y-coordinate is negative, like in -2 to -5, you still start at the origin. Move 2 units left for the x value. Then move down 5 units for the y value. Mark that spot carefully. Remember, each movement is based on the sign of the coordinate. Moving left or down is always 4 negative numbers, while right or up is 4 positive numbers. When graphing a linear function, you will often need to find multiple points. Pick different x values, including negatives, plug them into the equation, and find the corresponding y values. For example, if your function is y equals 2 times x minus 3, and you want to plot 4 equals -3, substitute it into the equation. Y equals 2 times -3 minus 3, which simplifies to -6 minus 3, giving you -9. So the point is -3, -9. To plot it, move 3 units left and 9 units down from the origin. Repeat this process with other x values, both positive and negative, to get more points. Once you have several points plotted, draw a straight line through them. That line shows the graph of your linear function. Understanding how to plot negative coordinates helps you see how the line crosses into different parts of the graph. It's a key skill for GED math questions involving graphing. Always pay attention to the signs of your coordinates and move left or right and up or down accordingly. This way, your points will be accurate and your graph will correctly representing the linear function.